the beautiful mountains.
So how is your trench work going then, darling?
Fine, thanks, Maxine.
Good.
There you go. Yeah, Scooch, have you seen that new billboard up there?
Oh, yes, that's what I call a huge pile of sand. It must have taken one big dump truck to make that.
No, it's a mountain.
Ugh, mountains are weird. I mean, what made them? Why are they here? Huh, give me the city anytime. The cement, the bricks, the feel of the concrete beneath your treads.
And the sound of the boss's voice telling you what to do?
Hello, Boza.
Right. I think the time has come to lay some pipes. Carrie and Scooch, can you move on out? And Diggs, you stay there and give Carl directions. It's going to be quite a tight fit.
No problem, boss.
Okay.
Line behind. Line behind. Okay, Carl. We need that pipe now. Carl! Where is he?
Oh, he's been looking up at that billboard again. It makes him go very strange. It's like the headlights are on, but there's nothing in the cab.
Here I am, boss. Where do you want this piping?
Down in the trench, please, Carl. Diggs is down there to guide you.
Very strange.
Oh, wow! All right, forward a bit, Carl. Bit more. To me. Whoa! Right, stop there. You're right on the edge. All right, start lowering it now. Oh, wow! Oh, wow!
Dix!
Carl, hang on. You're losing your grip there.
Watch it, Carl! Oh, help!
I see.
It's going to fall.
Oh, Scooch!
Diggs, get out of the way. Diggs, are you okay? Diggs!
Oh, yeah. I'm fine. Ta-da!
Goodness.
Oh no! I nearly squished a little scooper. Oh. I lost my grip. On the crane without his grip is like a bulldozer without his big pushy thing. Or a dumping truck without his little dumpety thing.
Don't be too hard on yourself, Carl. Are you sure there's nothing else bothering you? Because if there is, we are all your friends here. You can talk to any of us.
That's right. Of course you can, Carl.
You know, Carl, maybe the best one to talk to is going to be Maxine.
Hello, Maxine. Oh, Carl. Maxine, do you mind if I ask you something?
Of course not. What's the problem?
Do you ever think about your homeland? The place where you were made?
Ah, I don't have to. It's only 3 streets away. But you weren't born here, were you? You came from across the sea.
Oh, yeah. The factory where I was made was way, way up in the mountains. Oh, it was so very beautiful. I was so sad when I had to leave. But the saddest thing of all was saying farewell to Gertie, my little dump and talking friend. I will never forget the flowers that she wore in her windscreen and her laugh. Oh, it was like ball bearings rolling around in a brake drum.
Ball bearings rolling round in a brake drum?
That's what he said. Poor Carl.
Sounds like a bad case of sight sickness to me.
Sight sickness?
He's missing his home. But don't you worry. I know just how to handle it.
Go. Oh, look. There's Carl. I wonder where he's going.
That's Moser calling.
Come on, let's go!
Come on.
Right.
Come on, Slowco.
Wish for me. Coming.
Now listen, everyone. I just sent Carl off site to do a job. The reason he lost his grip today was that he's missing the place where he was made. Now, we can't send him home, but we can bring his homeland to him. Diggs? You can scoop the streams. Maxine, you can fill them.
Right.
Carrie, you can lay down some turf. And Scooch, you can make a mountain.
Me? Make a mountain over room. I thought you'd get luck to do that.
I have a much more important job for Lug. Right then, let's make mountains.
It's no good. I will never get my grip back. This place will never be like my home. Oh, well, waggle my wink. It's my homeland. The mountains, the streams, the green, green grass.
And look who's up on the hill.
Oh, it's Gertie, my little dump and drunken friend. But does she still have the laugh like ball bearings rolling around in a brake drum?
Actually, it's not Gertie. It's me, Lug. But we all knew how much you missed Gertie, and we wanted to make you feel at home.
I will always miss my homeland. But with crummy comrades like you, wherever I hang my hooky, it's my home. And hey, I can feel my grip coming back already.
Good. Would you pull these flowers out then?
Ha ha ha!